Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant Sachin Nikam. Today we are talking about the topic CDM and CRA. CDM is Clinical Data Management and CRA is Clinical Research Associate. Today we are talking about the introduction of clinical research. Why clinical research is very important. The clinical research definition means we are going to through the definition of the clinical research. Clinical research is a branch of medical science that determines the safety and efficacy, effectiveness of medication, uh, medical devices, medical diagnosis products, and treatment regimes of the human use. We are going through this in 1, 2, and 3 phases. Important of clinical research is the first phase. First phase. Advancing in medicine. Clinical research is essential for developing new treatments and improving existing ones. It drives medical progresses. Means advancing in medicines means we have to find new medicines, and after finding, people do research for medicines, how they make medicines, and then afterwards they do clinical research on that the medicine is very safe for human consumption, and other is there are no adverse reactions or anything about adverse reactions. The safety and efficacy of the drug is ensured in the treatment are both effective and safe in patients. Means clinical research also determines that the drug we are making or drug that is made, that is very safe for the treatment and both also effective for use for the patients, or rather that patients are female or male children's or old people's or pregnant women's. Impact on the public health that of clinical research mentioned how the vaccines and life saving treatments like insulin were developing through the clinical trials. See, clinical research or clinical trials are that we make medicines like for our common cold, fever, or cold. Afterwards, clinical research also research in the medicines like that are very useful, like vaccines, insulin like products that fought with big diseases or life-threatening diseases. The phase 3 of the clinical trial or clinical research is testing on small group of healthy individuals to access safely. Means the clinical trials are done on humans. After that done on the animals like lab rats, the clinical trials are done on the human to see that is the medicine is healthy for human consumption or not. Also, in the second part that involves more participants to study the effectiveness of the medicine, means more volunteers are added to the research program that we see the medicine is tested on them, and afterwards if there is no ADR, the medicine is ready to sell in the market. In the third part, that means there are parts of that large scale testing to confirm effectiveness and monitoring of the drug effective compared with the standard treatment. uh, See, whenever the drug is not working, any existing drug, uh, people start advancing in that drug to create the more complex or to create a more effective drug. So the new drug that are made, used in various trials, like first trial where our animal trials are done, uh, in the second trials the human trials are done, and in the third phase there are more complex, huge number of people are involved in that to use that. After that, the post marketing studies to gather on the long term effectiveness and safety of the drug. See, the drugs that are made, that after making the mass market, they are sell into the market after for the normal people to use OTC वगैरह drugs. uh, Also, the researchers, medical experts, and scientists design the overs, oversee the studies. The drug that is made is also studied for a long time after it made or after it has no ADRs. This drug is studied for minimum of 1 to 2 years. They people see that people not the researchers see that the drug is not doing any ADR or any side effect in the normal people. See, there are various types of people. There are people who can not suffer through any ADR, but there are some people that have any that goes through any ADR because of their physical condition. After the that the clinical trials are done like that. Thank you.